What's up, everybody? We have, first of all, I was doing some research today just to I'm making a list of reputable stores for you guys to shop from. And I went to Ohio Tool today and just saw some glitch territory deals. So let's go ahead and get into it because this might be a little bit long with me explaining everything. So I saw top hot buys. Now, for those of you that don't know, Metabo is a German company, all right? And then there's Metabo HPT, which is still obviously owned by Metabo, but those are basically rebranded Hitachi tools. So Metabo is its own thing, but Metabo HPT is really Hitachi. So sometimes you'll see Metabo tools and they're like a green with a little hint of orange. These are the German tools, okay? And they're normally more expensive than the Metabo HPTs, but check this out. I saw $75, $75. Let's go ahead and dig a little deep. And I'm going to save some really amazing Milwaukee deals for you towards the end. So let's unpack these Metabos first. So here we are. We have a Metabo 12 volt. Metabo HPT doesn't have any 12 volt tools. So we have a Metabo 12 volt Power Max compact brushless hammer drill driver kit with two 4 amp hour LIHD batteries. Now I thought, like, what is that? I'm like, oh, that's why this is so cheap, because you're getting a lot for $89. I said, oh, that's why it's cheap, because this is the cheap knockoff brand. Not knockoff, but the knockoff batteries. I thought it was like cheap batteries, and I was very wrong. So when we go over to Metabo's website, we see that lithium HD, it doesn't really explain what it is, but they just say that it provides 67% more power, and where is it? It was 87% more runtime and 67% more power. So we see the NiCad batteries right here of old, and then we see lithium ion pop up on the scene, and then this lithium HD. So the lithium HDs are actually the real deal Holyfield when it comes to Metabo batteries. So I became more intrigued. So let's go back to this. So yes, we come down here and we see it includes, get the keyless chuck belt hook with a bit case. Can't wait to see that because obviously I ordered this. A bit case, two lithium HD battery packs, and they're both 4 amp hour batteries. Okay, so you get two 4 amp hour 12 volt batteries. You get the charger, and it's air cooled. So if you don't know, Metabo HPT chargers have fans in them, and they super loud, and they smell funny. Then you have a plastic carrying case, which I love the plastic carrying cases, but they don't show any of that here. Gotta read, $89. So let me tell you why that's very interesting. So we see here 18 volt, 12 volt, 4 amp hour battery, $79.90. The battery alone, just for one, is $80. And that's actually on sale because if you go to Acme Tool, it's like $94. So there you have it. Oh, this is interesting too, because you have that hammer drill impact driver. Same deal with the Milwaukee. It's $399 with a big case. I'm going to look into that. But anyway, so you have that. Oh, I'm getting all over the place now. So we have that. $89. This is really the price of one of these batteries. You're getting all that other stuff. So moving on, because the deals aren't done. So moving on, you have this 12 volt Power Max drill driver 3-in-1 kit. So it comes with these adapters, these different head adapters, the right angle, and then you have the drill chuck, and then you have I guess this is like an impact driver. I can't really tell because they don't have any more pictures. You get the case, the charger, and you get also two 2 amp hour batteries. But these are regular, as you can see here, regular lithium ion batteries. They're not the lithium HD batteries, which is why I'm not touching this. But I mean, I already have a tool for this, but I mean, $75. Now keep in mind, this is also not brushless. This is brushed. Surprisingly, but this is a brushed tool, and but hey, y'all, it's only $75. 3-year warranty on the tool, 3-year warranty on the batteries as well. And the other thing I wanted to go back to, I forgot to mention, was the power. So you might say, okay, that's all good, but it's probably weak, right? Okay. So maximum torque hard. I don't know. Maximum torque soft and maximum torque hard. I don't know what that means. But 400 inch-pounds. And when we bring up the Milwaukee drill, the M12, and we look up the specs on that, we see it is 350 inch-pounds. So it's actually, on paper, more powerful than the M12 Fuel from Milwaukee. $89. So I'm gonna get it. We're gonna find out because I have that M12 from Milwaukee. So we're gonna find out. All right. So yeah, I'm not really a fan of these little adapters and stuff like that. I like just the tool to be built the way it is. But hey, if you're trying to get into this Metabo scene, $75 right there, that's not bad. Now moving on, we have the impact. This says wrench. This is not an impact wrench. It's a driver. But we have the impact driver, also a brush tool that comes with two 2-amp-hour batteries, 12 volt, and it's lithium ion. Now let's look at the torque. It says 85 foot-pounds. So I had to go get to a conversion and see that is actually 1,019 inch-pounds. So when we go look at the Milwaukee Fuel, we see that the Milwaukee Fuel does 1,300 inch-pounds, right? So this is more powerful, but it's also $129. And it's also brushless. But when we look at the Milwaukee brushed version, up to 1,000 inch-pounds. So that's a lot more comparable. And this tool only is $99. So over here, you're getting the tool. Let's go see what comes with it. You're getting it says impact wrench again. The impact driver. You're getting the charger, a belt hook, plastic carrying case, again, and two 12 volt 2-amp-hour battery packs for $75. Free shipping for orders over $99. All right. So finally, let's look at the bare tool here. So if you just want, because you saw I was highlighted, I had to go research how much this thing normally costs. The impact driver alone by itself is $39.95, y'all. $39.95. This is glitch territory, okay? This doesn't make any sense. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this, and then I'm gonna get the hammer drill to bring my total over $100. So I can get free shipping. But I don't know what the shipping would be, but these two things would be great to compare against their Milwaukee counterparts. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to actually compare this brush, though, to the brushless Milwaukee, because I don't have this brushed Milwaukee right here. Now, that is the Metabo, and I just wanted to go over that. Another thing that's kind of cool with the Metabo, they have this tuck pointing grinder. If you've ever needed to tuck point brick, look at this thing. Isn't it amazing? I didn't know tools like this existed. Usually people just use an angle grinder, and that's kind of what this is, but it has the shroud that will collect the debris. You could attach a vacuum to the end of this and whoop, sucks it all up. That's crazy. And I'm assuming this little guide is even, so you can just drag it across the brick real smooth like. So anyway, let's get into the Milwaukee deals because they are crazy. So Milwaukee over here at Ohio Tool. I think the Metabo is the best deals, but these right here, I don't know what I'm saving best for last. It's just a good video. So look at this kit. You have this Milwaukee. This is all fuel. You have the right angle ratchet. You have the stubby impact wrench. You have an impact driver. You have the hammer drill, and it comes with a 4-amp-hour battery, a 2-amp-hour battery, a little case, the charger for $379. Now let me tell you something. $379 might be a little lot to drop at one time, but let's break this down because this little kit right here at Home Depot with just the impact driver and the drill is $199. So we pull that up, we see that's $199, right, by itself. And they have kits that come with extra tools for extra $30 or whatever. So you say, well, this comes with the ratchet, but that is not the fuel ratchet. That's the regular brush one. This one is the fuel ratchet. Excuse me. This one is the fuel ratchet. So let's break this down. This is $199. The stubby is normally $179, and then the right angle drill, that the right angle ratchet, is normally $169. So I did the math. I closed my calculator out because I had to calculate something else, and it came out to be like $540 something like that. It was over $500, and here you are, you're getting it for $379. But if that's too much for you to drop today, let's check out this next combo kit right here with this die grinder. Okay, $279. Again, we already established that this kit is $199 at Home Depot on sale, and this die grinder is actually $189. So for an extra $80, you're getting this die grinder for $80 over here. Again, amazing deal. I don't know about this little baby chainsaw. I didn't look that up. Y'all can look it up. We see these are great deals. Again, this stubby is normally $179, extra $80. You're in there. Then again, over here, they have just a right angle ratchet for extra $80. Boom. And that right angle ratchet, it was $169. We already went over. It was $169 normally. And then you have, or you can get this kit with the oscillating tool. This is also a great kit. All these are great kits. These are smart kits to put together because you need all these if you were a homeowner and had a car. Maybe not this chainsaw, maybe not this die grinder, but like this right here, you need everything over here. Everything over here. And this oscillating tool, like, man, these were good kits. I would probably say, though, instead of this right angle ratchet, the oscillating tool, the stubby, the drill, and the impact drive, that would have been an amazing kit for $379. Oh, Ohio Power Tool, if you're listening, put that kit together for $379, and I could really recommend it because this is a little bit redundant. These are the same tools. It's just one can get in tighter spaces, but I guess this is an auto mechanics little dream right here. But that with the oscillating tool would be great for homeowners. So anyway, that's the video. It wasn't that long. Wasn't that bad. Just don't get these two kits. Don't get these two kits. Again, this is $199 at Home Depot. It's $229 over here. But with all these little extra bonuses, woo, amazing deal. So with that said, I'm gone. I will, once these Metabos come in, I'm going to do a video showing y'all how they work, comparing battery life to other Metabo and all that other good stuff. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.